Yay, level 4, you made it. Okay, so level 4 is a combination, of course, of level 2 and level 3, just basically on steroids. So what we're going to do here is we just want to simplify this expression. We're not solving for any variable, we're just simplifying it. So very much like our first couple objectives when we're simplifying expressions with numbers, now we just have variables in it. So if you remember in the level 3 notes, if we had a fraction with different variables on the bottom, we wanted to get a common denominator by just multiplying it basically by each other. So if you look in the numerator, you have 1 over a plus 1 over b. So I'm going to multiply each one by the other's denominator. So on the top, you will have b over ab plus a over ab. Very similar in the bottom. So the first one I multiply by a over a, the second one by b over b. So you'll have a squared over ab minus b squared over ab. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify the top by writing it as one term, and it'll be b plus a, and actually I'm going to write this alphabetical because it bothers me when it's not. So I'll have a plus b over ab, and again, you cannot simplify that because of the addition in between the a and the b. Please do not simplify that and say it's 1. Okay, it is not. Because of this addition sign in between in the numerator, you cannot simplify the a and the b. Okay, now I'm going to simplify the bottom, and I'll say a squared minus b squared over ab. Okay, almost done. So now what we're going to do is, since we are dividing fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to take the top, a plus b over ab, and multiply by the reciprocal of the second one. So ab over a squared minus b squared. Now, because you're multiplying, you can simplify crossways. So AB and AB simplify to be 1 and 1. A plus B and A squared minus B squared cannot be simplified with each other. However, if you remember, these can be factored. A squared minus B squared. Those are the difference of perfect squares and the easiest ones to factor because they are perfect squares. The top stays a plus b. The bottom will be a minus b and a plus b. Now, because these are two factors, this one, and since a plus b are being multiplied to a minus b, you can simplify those. Okay, so this is going to be 1 and that's going to be 1. So you're going to be left with 1 over a minus b. So with level 4s, you need to know how to simplify with fractions, again, a common denominator with variables. And then you need to know how to multiply by the reciprocal. And then your last step is to simplify, and sometimes that will involve factoring, just like we did the a minus b squared. So you might have an expression of x squared minus x minus 6, and you'll need to use factoring in order to fully simplify that expression. Okay, so go ahead and use a practice. It's a good practice to get ready for your quiz.